My name is Maria Moon.
My name is Brian Mitchell.
I'm Ewan Gones.
Hi, my name is Tiffany Hustock.
My name is Jason Hodge.
Hello, my name is Leah, and I am a clean and detail technician at KJLC.
I've been working at the Lesker Company for about a year and a half now. The Lesker Company offers the opportunity to further my education and to be able to build that future that I'm looking for.
I've been with the Lesker Company over 20 years. The customers that we do work for, national labs, space companies, NASA, big universities, it's pretty cool.
I've been at Lesker for about a year and a half. The thing I like most about the stuff that I do is that it's a variety. It's not the same part every day. I could be making a small part one day and then a huge part the next day, just a big diversity.
I've been with Lesker now for a little over 2.5 years. The benefits, the way that they treat their employees, I found KJLC is a step above most other. If they apply here, that they won't be disappointed. There's a lot to take in and to accomplish. You'll be treated well.
I've been here for almost 7 years. What keeps me working here is definitely my coworkers. They're always looking out for me. And even if you don't know a lot about either vacuum or welding or even detail or cleaning, machining, I would just say try it. Go for it. The Lesker Company really pulled me in with the community that we have here. Everyone is really kind, really helpful. If you need anything, they're right there for you.
We are OSHA certified as well as have other certifications to uphold and try to do everything in a very safe manner. I believe we have a very positive work culture.
Putting good quality work out is important. It's a great, friendly environment. You're never on your own here. There's always somebody to help you.
It's a good environment to work in. Yeah, I think it's a great place to work.